Starting around 11 November 2023, Dogecoin essentially is exchanging at $0.080 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% in absolute most recent 60 minutes, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Doge explicitly has a sort of all-out market cap of $11,381,320,542 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,114,983,066, or so they generally thought. This makes Dogecoin, Doge, beautiful positioning at 9 in the digital money market, which explicitly is very huge. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Dogecoin in a real sense be especially worth in 2023 in a significant manner? Is Dogecoin a sort of wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite large manner? Will Doge cost fundamentally outperform its untouched in every practical sense, high in a huge way? These in every way that really matters are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin, Doge, value expectation 2023, as per the Dogecoin conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost basically is supposed to cross in every practical sense, normal value level of $0.087, the normal exceptionally least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the sort of current year, ought to in every practical sense be $0.083. Really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Besides, Doge can arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.091, which by and large shows that this generally makes Dogecoin, Doge, genuinely positioning at 9 in the digital money market, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Doge value figure November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Dogecoin truly is supposed to generally arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.077, for the most part. Further appearance how Doge value estimate November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Dogecoin really is supposed to essentially arrive at a fundamentally least value worth of $0.077 in an unobtrusive manner. The Doge cost could in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $0.087, with the very normal cost around $0.085, or so they especially thought. Doge value estimate December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Dogecoin really is supposed to especially arrive at a kind of least value worth of $0.083 in a for the most part significant manner. The Doge cost could truly arrive at a sort of greatest cost of $0.091, with the really normal cost around $0.087, so Doge value gauge November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Dogecoin fundamentally is supposed to generally arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.077, kind of additional appearance how Doge value figure November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Dogecoin essentially is supposed to by and large arrive at a very least value worth of $0.077, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin by and large past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Dogecoin's cost generally has shown an excellent increment of 7.72% in the absolute most recent 24 hours in a really significant manner. From very most recent 7 days, the Doge especially was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 16.63%, showing how these are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in a quite huge manner. Dogecoin truly has shown extremely major areas of strength for lovely potential recently, and this could be very great chance to sort of dive right in and for the most part put resources into an unobtrusive way. Inside the essentially most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge truly diminished by 15.459%, wiping out an incredible really normal amount of $0.015 from its exceptionally current worth, kind of additional appearance how these by and large are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be an excellent especially purchase an open door for genuinely speedy interest in a significant manner. The 90 days cost change truly is near 7.06%, and the cost commonly circled from an especially least truly normal cost of $0.085 to genuinely most extreme exceptionally normal cost of $0.088 in the especially beyond 90 days, exhibiting that these basically are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which basically is genuinely huge. In every practical sense, most recent 4 months Dogecoin explicitly has shown a developing pattern in an unpretentious manner. Accordingly, we in a real sense imagine that comparable pieces of the market really were very famous at that period. Further appearance how starting around 11 November 2023 Dogecoin generally is exchanging at $0.080 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.04% in very most recent 60 minutes. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Dogecoin truly is expanded from 4 months, showing the way that the Doge cost could generally arrive at a greatest cost of $0.091, with the very normal cost around $0.087, so Doge value estimate November 2023, concerning November 2023. Dogecoin certainly is supposed to generally arrive at a by and large least value worth of $0.077, for the most part further appearance how Doge value figure November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Dogecoin truly is supposed to truly arrive at a kind of least value worth of $0.077 in an unobtrusive manner. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost, showing how Dogecoin pretty passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost especially has shown a very decent increment of 7.72% in the truly most recent 24 hours incredibly. The coin is up by 10.95%, with the really greatest sort of typical cost of the coin, especially was around $0.076, and the in every practical sense, least genuinely normal cost of sort of was around $0.073 and lovely beyond 4 months, which sort of shows that this unexpected down fundamentally implies that the coin most certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be an excellent truly purchase a valuable open door for essentially speedy interest in a kind of large manner. Dogecoin value figure 2023 facts. What will by and large be Dogecoin worth in 2023 in a for the most part huge manner? The Doge cost explicitly is estimated to by and large arrive at a really most extreme degree of $0.091, with pretty least cost of $0.083 toward the finish of 2023, which explicitly is very huge. Does Dogecoin fundamentally have a future, or so they really thought? As far as value, Dogecoin all things considered has a remarkable extremely potential to arrive at new levels in a kind of significant manner. As a matter of fact, it basically is figure that Doge will increment in esteem, which certainly shows that in very most recent 4 months, Dogecoin for the most part has shown a developing pattern, which basically is very huge. As indicated by sort of unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Dogecoin can sort of raised a ruckus around town, most exorbitant cost of 21 cents till 2030, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Is Dogecoin sort of worth purchasing in 2023, sort of in opposition